What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I haven't been uploaded for a long time and I'm still working the stock market, and whenever I have any trading ideas, I would definitely want to share with you guys. So today the stock I want to talk about is Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY. So in the past 1 year, the stock price has been declining 82% from the highest around $30 to the current around $5. When we look at the net income, it has been negative since 2019, and during pandemic, it's getting even worse. It keeps suffering from the losses. And I've read in the news that the company has also been burning money to do some reconstructing, like updating its technology and reorganizing its stores, its inventories. And the current cash at the company's account is just $100 million. And at the current stock price level, the market cap is just $400 million US. So currently it's a micro cap stock. So based on the stock performance as well as the financial data, and we look at the ratings from Wall Street, the quantitative side, as well as the people on Seeking Alpha, we can see that people attitude are very negative in terms of the future of this stock. However, I find some interesting is that since November last year, the insiders of the company has keeping add positions, which has surprised me a lot. I feel like this company maybe has a risk of file bankruptcy, and the insiders buying has caught my attention and interested to dive deep into the stock, and maybe there's some story I have missed. So I look at the recent news is that the stock has a pump in March this year, after Steve Cohen's announced it has the investment in the stock around $120 million US. So Steve Cohen is the founder of Chewy.com, and he is also the guy has been part of contributor to the GME stock story, as after he joined the board of GME stock, and also as a management of the company, the stock has been skyrocketed at the time. So yeah, definitely Steve Cohen just add more flavor to the whole BBBY stories. I also look at some other bullish opinion. Some people think that as the company is revising its strategy and restructuring its merchants portfolio, like it has added more their own white label goods comparing with other branded goods. And the current white label goods is around 25% of their total sales. That means that would bring more profit margin to the company comparing with just being the distributor of other third-party products. Another bullish opinion is that some people think that the company may take the advice by Steve Cohen that is to spin off some part of the company, like one of the division or one of the company under Bed Bath & Beyond is Bbby, which is provided the baby related products, and Steve Cohen suggests the companies to spin off that department in order to get better financial performance. And the company also closed some underperforming stores in order to cut the losses, and they would expecting better performance to their better stores. However, as the stock price has dropped so significantly in the past 1 year, we know that there's definitely some problem that this company is facing. So one of the bearish opinion is that for Bed Bath & Beyond, the position of the company is not that strong comparing with other competitors like Amazon and Target, especially during pandemic that other competitors is utilizing their online shopping features and provide convenient experience to the shoppers. Bed Bath & Beyond have a legacy technology system, and they're not able to provide as good e-commerce experience as Amazon. So that's one of the biggest challenge it has faced. And the second bearish opinion is that, as we know from the name, the company mainly sells home-related goods like bed, bathroom, and also home furniture and other appliances. And yearly, new homeowners represent a significant portion of the home-related purchase. As we know that as the interest rate is going up continuously, as what J. Powell announced last Wednesday, it's keep going up. So at this point, we see there's a slowdown in the housing market. So that would also result to the less sales drive for Bed Bath & Beyond's customers. Third bearish opinion is that its former CEO just stepped down, and currently the company is still looking for the new CEO. So that's uncertainty of the management level also brings more risk to their potential investors. So it seems that in terms of strategy, in terms of how the company really performing, comparing with competitors, is still a question mark in the mind of some investors. So in my opinion, I used to go to the Bed Bath & Beyond store in New Jersey and find that the store provide a good variety of products and at a relatively fair price, and I think I really like the store. I think it's really hard to say that for this stock, it definitely will go up or go down after the next earnings, because it's all about the expectation versus reality. Even though some stocks is performing well, if it's already pricing all the good factors, the next step may not be going up as previously. And on the other hand, since the stock price is already around 52 weeks low, and I think those negative factors probably already priced in. And I checked the Morningstar, analyst gives the stock fair value of $13.9. So that means the stock is currently undervalued 64%. Although the stock looks cheap, there's definitely a high risk associated with it, that when the investors want to invest in stock, they need to consider is that the company doesn't have a large amount of cash balance at their bank account, and there's still possibilities that the company goes bankrupt and the investors will not get their investment back. So yeah, it all depends on whether you think the reward is worth the risk. For this stock BBBY, I think if I want to invest in, I will just invest in a very small portion of it, maybe like 3% of my total portfolio. So just in case the stock goes bankrupt, I didn't lose that much money. So that's something within control. Yeah, so that's all the things I recently found and thought about the BBBY stock. Please let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!